Kuraija Mathauba, convener of Coordination Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, has met and reiterated to Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla that the people will always view the separate administration demand allegedly made by Myanmar refugees who entered Manipur after 1960 as an anti-state demand. The statement was made during a 20-minute-long meeting which was convened with 7 Cocomi representatives reprising of Kuraija Mathauba, Women Wing Convener and Students Wing Convener, and Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla at Raj Bhavan today. During the meeting, Cocomi representatives discussed with the governor the current issue in the state and also submitted a memorandum to the governor regarding the issue. Speaking to media after the meeting, Kuraija Mathauba explained that during the meeting, Cocomi representatives urged the governor to form a new government and also to take up necessary actions and resolve the conflict by exercising the powers vested to him by the president during president's rule. Mathauba further described that the memorandum submitted by Cocomi contained questions regarding the reported peace talk between UPF KNO leader and ZRA President Thenglien Pao Goite along with KNO President PS Haukip, who are under sue and the central government, while also criticizing the government for allegedly funding the Sioux militants' camps.
So, President Rulgi, yamna traumatic experience me yamma lay given in the Myanmar, Kodam Kusong Naba Lantan Naba. Adu report me amma lay no high report sa itan phatha binana be jongta governor na formal ekoi miyam da ekoi message adok bidana yaragadi ekoi press meet forward to biraka da manipur miyam da nakal primaki lay miyam sida achumba asenba judicial ko wafam se aduga pai bi ngai matam sida president na isada governor da khosnegi matam sida lopat bigada ba tangai phadaba significant initiative chingdo miyam da movement bi boina pau tabiu haiba